Hello again everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So in this video I am going to show you, remember I promised that I am going to show you the space that I have to work with. Now believe it or not, where I'm standing is actually the space that I have to work with. Of course I have my tape measure to measure the area, because you need to know the measurement in order to know how many bags can fit in certain parts. So let me show you the parts that I have access to in order to plant plants. Now here, this right here is actually a trough. See this concrete here, but in here is a trough with soil, but as I said, that soil is very poor. So as you can see, these cars, they are parked on the sideway here. So I have a little space here that I can also grow stuff in containers as well. I don't want to get it too close to where I park the car, but let us do the measurement. So in terms of width, from here, from the corner there, roughly to about here, so I'm getting 5 feet in width here, and it brings me right here in terms of, yeah, right here. So 5 feet in width, and let us measure the length now. Right, had a little bit of accident there. Anyway, let me hurry up and do this. So the breeze is so heavy. I wonder if it's going to fall again. Let me do this fast. So we already got 5 feet there, right? So in terms of length, we have 23 feet, right? So we have 23 feet working with in length and 5 feet in width. So that is basically what we have working with. And as I said, what I was telling you about, I'm going to put like tall growing plants like out on the side here, right, for them to grow up so that they can create some kind of shade in this area where the plants that I'm going to grow for my kitchen will grow. So the shade, it will, the plants will grow up here, nice greenery of plants, block out some of the sun, not too much, and I'm going to go for more like small leaf plants, whether whoa, it's shaking, it's shaking, don't drop again, please. All right, just see, like even this plant here, I have this in a pot. This is lemongrass, and I have some broadleaf thyme here that I did some cuttings for. So I just put the lemongrass here to basically shade it. But of course, the lemongrass, the leaves are small there, so the light still is able to penetrate through the different spaces. So what I'm going to do, as I said, use like small fine leaf plants, not leaf that have large surface area, because that will block out too much of the sun. So like lemongrass is a good one. I might just plant, do some more propagation of lemongrass and plant. So as I said, I saw some plants at the nursery, so I might just take a few of those and just stack them like maybe one here, like maybe every 3 feet. I put one, you know, the entire length of the garden. So this is the space, as you can see, is basically like arm's length apart in terms of width. So this is the space I have to work with, and as I said, I'm in the initial stages of. I've gathered the fabric containers, and I have some of the seeds already, and we're going to get the composted horse manure this weekend, and then we see. Then we go back to the nursery and see which other growing medium we're going to use to make our growing medium to mix like mix with the horse manure and so on to fill our fabric containers. So as it is, this is the area that I have. It is not big, but it can grow a lot of stuff. Trust me, and that is what we are going to try out, you know, to see how much it can grow. But I know that temperature is a key factor here. It is very hot, right? Let me just see what time it is now and see what the temperature is like. So it is approximately 1:35 p.m. now, and put this to Celsius. It is saying 31 degrees Celsius now, 56.6% relative humidity. So as it is now, we have a lot of clouds in the sky, so it's blocking. It's kind of creating that block, and thus the temperature is kind of low to what we used to. So this is exactly what I want to do. The cloud is doing it, kind of cutting down on the intensity of the sunlight. So that is what I want to do, right? Right now, this field, although it is 31 degrees Celsius, I do want to kind of cut it down a little bit more, right? And for the plants to grow well. So this is what I wanted to show you. As I said, this is the space, and I told you about the idea of the higher growing plants to provide shade, those more specifically with smaller leaves, so that you'll have some amount of sunlight penetrating. So this is the area. As usual, if you have any questions, any comments, as I said, I'll bring you along the entire process. So if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments area, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. See you again in another video.